Hello and welcome back. Imagine this. You have been using your computer for years. It's packed with programs you bought, some of them really expensive. You have got your files, your games, your settings exactly the way you like them. But there is a problem. Your hard drive is slow. Every boot up feels like forever. You have thought about switching to an SSD, but there is one thing holding you back. What if you lose everything? So in this setup here, we are going to clone this hard drive to an SSD drive. Sometimes starting from scratch feels scary, right? Imagine reinstalling all your software, looking for activation keys, downloading drivers, customizing settings again. You see, not only is it stressful, it's time consuming, and you might even lose access to some programs you had already paid for. And see, that's enough to make anyone stick with this sluggish HDD. So you check the hardware. You see, it is Western Digital with that particular code 5000 AACS. It is Western Digital 5000 AACS, and if you compare, this one is also Western Digital 5000 AACS. So that's the hard drive we want to clone. There is no any other drive here. It's the only one in this PC. So this is the SSD drive that we are going to use. So for you to do this, there is one thing you need to have an SSD drive. You also need to have a USB to SATA. For this is 3.0, but you can pick any. So it is USB 3.0 to SATA, and then you need your SSD drive. So I'm going to open this. This is a solid state drive, 512 GB. So remember, while you are cloning, make sure that the hard drive you are having, the new hard drive, the new SSD that you'll be using should be of greater capacity to the one you want to clone. So make sure the new drive is bigger than the one installed in the PC. So we are going to download a particular program called IOMA Backup. This is the program we are going to use, so you are going to download it. I love it because it is fast. You don't need a lot of settings. All you have to do is just click next, and you are done. So we are going to download IOMA Backup. Once the download is complete, you can buy the activator, or you can find your ways on how to activate it. And if you have a challenge downloading and activating this particular program, remember there are several other programs that you can use to clone your hard drive other than this. So this is only for an educational purpose. Feel free to explore other options. Thank you. Let's continue. So I've already downloaded it. and I've already installed it, and actually I've already activated it. So once you have plugged in your new SSD drive, there you go, we have plugged in the new SSD drive. Then you format it, because it won't be visible unless you format it. You will go under computer management, disk management, and then you format that particular drive, the new drive that you have already plugged in using your 3.0 USB to SATA. We are gonna create the drive itself, format, and then your drive is ready. There you go. Now we have the SSD drive and the HDD. So this is the one we are going to use. As you can see, this is the WD5000 AC and the J Micron. That is the company that makes the SSD that we have just plugged in. So remember, the HDD was WD5000. So this is the HDD, and then I believe we are good to go. Now we should clone to local disk D. Once everything is set and ready to go, we are going to open the LMA backup. So we are going to start cloning. Double click LMA backup, then clone tab, then system clone, then click disk 1. That's your disk, that's your SSD. Then next, OK, and start cloning. The beauty with the LMA backup, everything is just set there. All you have to do is just click next. You don't have to change anything unless otherwise. So depending with your drive and the data you have, it will take a little bit of time. But remember, everything will be cloned. Nothing will be deleted. And the good thing, you love your backup as well. So once it's done, you finish. Now I'm gonna switch to the other screen to show you how I'm installing it to another PC. I'll use there you go, our clone is now ready. So I will use another PC. I have a laptop here that I will actually plug in the SSD into it. So you must safely remove the SSD. Then you plug it out from the PC. This is our SSD, and this is the laptop that we're using to find out if the cloning was successful. Unscrew your PC if you have a laptop, whichever. Remember, you can do this to a desktop PC as well. It can be a desktop, it can be a laptop, whichever the machine. So let me remove the drive from this laptop and I install the new SSD that we just cloned. Okay, this one here. Let's plug it in. Nice and easy. There you go. Okay, let's power it on and find out if the cloning was successful. There you go. This is a great sign. It's booting up. Windows 11. The SSD is booting up in that particular PC. There you go. And there it is. Congratulations. You just cloned your drive. You just cloned your HDD into an SSD. This one will save you a lot, and you won't have to go through the stressful, sluggish HDD. So congratulations. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe, share, and drop a comment. Thank you very much.